What could be cuter than this? This is our chicks, so it's their first time outside. They're all hanging out in the corner over there, just checking things out. Our 8 little chickens have moved to their new home in the backyard. It's already fenced. We don't have a barn and a barnyard yet, so here we are. And it turns out that they, I believe, are black lace Wyandottes. Very pretty. That's what they happened to have when we went to the store to buy chicks, so that's what we got. Here you go. We've got all the yard here to play in. And we're just gonna get their house moved over here and put it back in the shade. And then they can roam around here. Their dog friend watching over them. There they are. Oh, chirpy sharks. You can see them out all the windows in the house. Pretty cool. Easy access to come out and fill their water and feed and everything. They're quite enjoying the extra space out in the big wide world. Oh, happy chickenoo. Here comes the chicken's new house. Well, their old house, but moving to the new location. And we beefed it up with some wood on the bottom. Great. So if that wood rots, then we can replace it without taking the coop apart. Here we are, all set up. There's the chickens, they're all hanging out together over here in the grass. The puppy dog and their house all put in place. Ready to go. And we just go in there tonight, we close the doors up, and we're good to go.